Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to set up Hey Google on Android 16. Let's begin. So, in order to set up your Hey Google, first let's go into settings. Then in settings, go to the very first option on your Google account, or if you're using other Android device, you should basically see a Google option. In here you want to go there and you will see your account. That is, if you are logged in. If you're not, please log in. Now we can switch from recommended to all services, so we can see a list of every single Google powered service. And now we can scroll down a little and click Search, Assistant and Voice. In here we want to go into Google Assistant. Then click Voice Match. And as you can see here we have a Google option. So now we can enable this. And now we need to configure our voice. So we want to basically record ourselves saying different things so the phone can register our voice and then use it if we ever say Hey Google. So let's go with I agree. And now we need to activate our voice match. And as you can see we don't have to record ourselves. Okay, we don't. But if we want to improve the quality of Hey Google, we can always click Retrain Voice Match model, so then we will go through the process of recording a voice over and over again. But that is for other video. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.